welcome back to the online class. As yesterday, I have completed half of this chapter in which we have seen about the fire, which is a friend, and along with that, it is a foe, means it is an enemy of ours when it is not carefully used, right? So, even a small fire can turn into a big disaster to anyone if we will not care about the fire or the fire things, right? Yesterday I have asked a few questions in the video, and I hope you guys have remembered that all the things, right? So I asked about what is fire, which is written here. Like, fire is a chemical reaction, okay, which comes in contact with the oxygen and the hydrogen in a fuel, and it just burn, and the energy in the form of heat and light is produced, and that is said to be the fire. And three things that are needed to make a fire, that is fuel, oxygen and heat. Without any of this, like if one is absent, then the fire will not take place. The fire will only take place when the fuel, oxygen and the heat is present together, okay. And what are the fuel of that fire? Fuel, that is wood, coal, cooking gas and petrol are some examples of fuel which are highly inflammable. In means highly inflammable means they can catch fire easily. And the petrol is highly inflammable, okay, because it catches somewhere in the tank of that petrol or diesel. You have seen it is written highly inflammable. It means it can catches fire within a seconds, okay. So as I have told you, like when fire is not used carefully, it will damage and it will destruct. And it is also a friend of ours when in winter season we love to sit near the fire, because it gives the warmth through this cold weather, right? So it is a friend, and as well as it is a enemy of ours, okay. Some of the things we have seen, like even how to activate fire, how to generate fire, to is that you have to first, it is the example is given there. Like for burning the matchstick, you have to rub over that matchbox, and afterwards it will catch fire, or the spark will come and it will catch fire, okay. Also we have seen how to means we used to cook our food, warm our homes. Why this fire is used for cooking our food, for warming our house in winter, to generate electricity also we are using that fire, okay. But it is also said that it is destructive when it is not used carefully, because if fire gets out of control, it can be a dangerous situation. And it is also said that each year thousands of people lose their life in the means in a, like where the fire catches, and people lose their life in that fire. And even there means whatever the lavishly means जो भी comfortable life है, due to that fire they lose everything. Just as three things are needed to start a fire, like heat, oxygen and fuel, है ना. And there are three main ways in which fire can be put out. वो fire लगने की वजह है. अब how to put out the fire, तो there were the ways suggested that how to put out the fire. It was said we should not give the proper air, means you should try to disconnect the this passing of the air, and that will put off the fire easily. When suppose when you are placing the candle into a jar, what happened, what happened there, the candle suddenly turns off. And the second way is, it was like carbon dioxide fire extinguishers, because it disconnects the air from the heat, and with the absence of air the fire get off. right? And the third way it is like to remove the heat, means by putting out a fire, उसका heat निकालना होगा ना. फर्स्ट तो हम लोग ये देखें उसका एयर का कनेक्शन तोड़ना होगा, फिर with the fire extinguisher we can, and the third is like removing or we can say वो जो फ्लैश पॉइंट है उससे थोड़ा कम कर देंगे तो obviously suddenly the fire will get off. So these are the ways through which we can put out the fire. Now, some fires cannot be put out with water. If water is sprayed onto an oil fire, the oil will float to the top of the water and continue to burn. This can be very dangerous because water can flow quickly, carrying the burning oil with it and spreading the fire. Yes, you have seen on petrol pump or somewhere, it is somewhere in the backyard or anywhere in that petrol pump, sand is kept just because when it catches fire, अगर उसमें पानी दिया जाएगा तो that oil will float over the water. As we know, oil and water never get mixed, तो water नीचे बैठ जाता है and that oil will float over that water and it will catch fire more easily. Okay, so putting off the fire means अगर petrol or diesel या something which is catches in oil, अगर oil में means fire लगता है like we can say kerosene and all, then we have to use that sand, mud or something which can easily put off the fire, like disconnecting the air from that burning part or by putting some fire extinguishers, right? So these are the ways to put out the fire when it catches in oil. So when petrol pump or somewhere over the oil it catches fire, don't spray water, just throw some sand or the blanket is very helpful for means fire, any type of fire. Okay, so water should also not be used on the fire caused by electrical appliances, like when the it happened through the electrical appliances, you have to throw means don't use water there because it will catch fire, means current, it will catch current. So us situation maybe you have to you don't have to use the water because water will give more intensity to that fire or the shock. The person spraying water might receive an electric shock and be killed. Yes, like when we are throwing the water on the person who catches current, तो वो current हमारे ऊपर भी आ सकता है, and that's why it is suggested do not use water over the person who is already suffering from that current, electric shock. A carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best thing to fight an electrical fire. और electrical fire को बंद करने के लिए the best thing is that a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher use करेंगे तो it will put off the fire very easily. We spend millions of rupees each year in fighting fires, and we spend more trying to find new ways of preventing fire from happening and getting out of control. On the whole, we have learned rather well to control fire and put it to good use in our everyday life. Yes, after so many years, people came to know and they overcome over the fire, they overcome the fight over the fire, है ना. और अभी वो लोग फायर को easily handle कर सकते हैं and in a very intelligent way, and they know the consequences and they also know the remedies when it will catch fire, whether it is a electrical fire or it may be some unwanted situation fire. Okay. Long ago, there was no fireman. When fire broke out, everybody became a firefighter. People performed human chains and passed buckets of water from a well or a pond to the blaze. Yes, पहले firefighters means firemen नहीं थे, है ना, क्योंकि जब भी means कहीं पे भी फायर लगता था तो सब लोग ह्यूमन चेन बना लेते थे. ह्यूमन चेन मीन्स पासिंग द बकेट्स क्विकली एंड थ्रोइंग वाटर ओवर दैट बर्निंग प्लेस, है ना. तो ये सब लोग ह्यूमन चेन बना लेते थे क्योंकि पहले इतनी फैसिलिटी नहीं थी अबाउट दिस फायरमैन, बट नाउ-ए-डेज द फायरमैन कैन रीच एवरीवेयर वेयर द फायर कैचेस, है ना. Now, there are always laws about building construction which ensure that space is left between building to reduce the fire risk. Every new building, especially a public place, must ensure observance of fire prevention norms. Oh yes, buildings अगर अभी बनते हैं तो गैप में बनते हैं so that it won't catch fire easily, है ना. अभी न्यू जितने भी बिल्डिंग है they all have some norms, conditions, prevention, and even in the public place also when some market is going to set up, then वहाँ पे पब्लिक का ख्याल रखा जाता है, प्रिवेंशन लिया जाता है, क्योर लिया जाता है, रेमेडीज सारे चीज़ सोच समझ कर एक इस्टेब्लिश किया जाता है. ठीक है. बिकॉज अभी तो टेक्नोलॉजी इतना अच्छा है, लाइक इट कैन नॉट बी, वी कैन हैंडल एवरीथिंग, राइट. बट वो अपनी तरफ से वी हैव टू बी ऑलवेज प्रिपेयर इफ समथिंग हैपन. और यू नो अभी के जितने भी रोड है एटलीस्ट उसमें एक जगह मीन्स इतना गैप रहता है कि एटलीस्ट फायरमैन के लिए जगह होना. बाय द वे अगर कहीं पे आग लग गया और दैट फायरमैन कुड नॉट मीन्स कम विथ हिज ट्रक और समथिंग, तो वहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. तो नाउ इट इज़ जब भी बिल्डिंग बनता है तो ये सारी बातें सोच समझ के बनती हैं, है ना. Bands of fire fighting workers with special equipment known as fire brigades are there to put out fires. Firefighters are highly trained people. They possess many skills. They cut off electricity simply, knock down dangerous walls, spray water and other materials to bring fire under control. They are also trained in first aid so that they can help people suffering from burns or from the effects of smoke. The discovery of fire and its uses helped early man to cope with nature better and gradually adopt a settled mode of life. Fire is still worshipped in many parts of the world. Fire is in need a friend, but as we know, it can be dangerous enemy once it gets out of control. Yes, it's fact कि हमारा fire बहुत अच्छा friend है ना, a friend in need है, but when it is not controlled properly it can damage severe problems, right. So this we all know about. And the firemen के बारे में लिया हुआ है, like firemen are the trained one, they know how to come over that fire, है ना. वो fire को put out करने के लिए, put off करने के लिए वो कुछ भी कर मीन्स कुछ उनके पास skills है, like क्या करने से क्या होता है. and even the people who are suffering from the smoke in the fire, तो उनसे भी वो लोग स्किल होते हैं क्योंकि एवरी वन हैव. अब फायरमैन विल नॉट टीच द स्टूडेंट्स ना, and we cannot do the work of fireman because सबका sector अलग है and it is divided in their own knowledgeable I can say field, है ना. तो फायरमैन का अलग वर्क है, लाइक हमारा अलग वर्क है, एंड दे बोथ मीन्स एवरी वर्क आर वेरी essential and very helpful for our society and for us also. Okay, so this is all about the chapter. Hope you guys have understood the uses and the disadvantages of fire, how to control over it, how it catches fire. So these are the things which you have to follow in your day-to-day life also, and spare means you can spread this knowledge, awareness of this fire to your family members and even the children who are very small. At least they will know the consequences and the uses of the fire. Okay, so guys, have a nice day to all and bye everyone.